last time you gave your roof some love?
Don't worry, Owens Corning has you covered with the ultimate checklist.
Step 1.
Inspection. Look for loose granules in your gutter, missing shingles, signs of damage. I'm not a roofer, but I can see this is trouble. And hey, do what you can from the ground. Don't get up on your roof, call a professional.
Step 2.
Style goals.
It doesn't have to be just black or gray. Your roof can be colorful. Think about how a roof could elevate the entire design of your house, and try using these color posters for inspiration.
Step 3.
Can I?
Sure.
Okay.
Step 3.
Selection. This is fun.
Go for durability and performance. Owens Corning calls it the Total Protection Roofing System.
It's a cool name.
Yeah, it's a really cool name. Underlayment, shingles, ventilation, hip and ridge.
Go for something that either complements your existing house colors or something that's a little more monochromatic, which leads us to this shingle right here. Midnight Plum. This is what's so good. It's got a lot of blue, but it also has a lot of brick red, which is perfect on a brick house with blue shutters. And from a distance, it really reads as more of a rich plum color. It's really good.
So, color,
Check.
performance,
Check.
roof smarter with Owens Corning.